some people describe as failing economy actually is a failing description of what really happened last year and this year in the first quarter. Last year, Turkey scored 7.4% growth rate, and in the first quarter this year, we reached the same goal, and that remains to be the course for the Turkish economy. Obviously, in line with some of the international fluctuations in the stock markets, etc. From time to time, you see some ups and downs in the Turkish markets, but overall, Turkish economy is very strong. You see this in the businesses that were created. For example, the unemployment rate, has dropped a little bit more, and we have created more than 300,000 jobs and over the last year. So, I mean, that's a very good sign of the strength of the Turkish economy.
But the currency is struggling, and that hurts everyone. And that's what's also a barometer outside the country as to the health of the domestic economy.
Well, certainly we have things to do, actually, to keep things under control as far as the currency is concerned, but also you have to see the larger picture of what's happening, internationally, what the Fed is doing with the interest rates, etc. But I think we will overcome this. But in regards to the issue of holding these early elections because of economic concerns, in fact, the proposal did not come from us. If you remember, the proposal came from one of the opposition parties, and the other opposition parties picked up on it. And they said, okay, so we will go for early elections. They could have rejected it. They could have said, no, we don't want early elections. In fact, our president has said on many occasions that the elections were going to be held in time, that is next year in November. But when he saw this call and kind of the growing coalition around this, or consensus, he said, okay, let's go for it. And I think it will help the Turkish economy in other ways, but also as far as the security issues are concerned, as well as other major projects that we are undertaking in the country, that will clear up the ground. There will be no ambiguities as to, when the elections will be held. We'll have to wait for another year, etc. So I think that will speed up a lot of things as far as the major projects are concerned.